Okay, guys, Mr. Yuno again. You should have watched video number one, done the do now, make a list assignment. Then you should have watched video number two, where I review vocabulary for the Out of the Death Zone article. And then you should have done the matching assignment. And this is the final video, and this will be, I'll be sharing a video with you on Mount Everest, which is pretty interesting.
Behold Mount Everest. Standing over 5 miles tall, it's the highest mountain on Earth. The bravest of the brave have been climbing it for almost 100 years. Thousands have succeeded and stood at the top of the world. They've pushed through blinding snowstorms, scrambled over deep cracks in the ice, and fought their way through the death zone, where the air is too thin to breathe. Do you want to join them and become one of the few who can say they've conquered this mighty mountain? Well, you better start preparing if you want to make it out alive. First, save your money. You're going on a massive shopping spree because this adventure will cost you. You'll need lots of layers. It's cold up there. Expect to see temperatures as cold as negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Sturdy boots, thick sleeping bags, and several different types of jackets are a must. You also pick up some specialized gear too. To help you scale walls of ice, grab an axe and some crampons, which are special spiky attachments for your boots, plus ropes, harnesses, ski poles, and more. Then there are all the other little odds and ends. A first aid kit, water bottles, trash bags, your toothbrush, and on and on. Plus bags and backpacks to carry it in. And finally, you'll need oxygen tanks if you want to breathe. No big deal. The air on Mount Everest is thin, so running out of oxygen could make you really sick, or even kill you. Now that you've got everything you need, you're ready to go. Except not really, and don't put away your wallet just yet. First of all, you'll have to wait. It's really only safe to climb Everest in April and May. At other times of the year, you'd be blown off the mountain by 100-mile-per-hour winds. Plus, nobody can climb Everest alone, so you'll need to hire somebody to help you. The cost? That will vary depending on what kind of experience you want. If you just want a guide or two to help you along the way, you can expect to pay a bit less. But if you want to spend big bucks, you can get luxuries, such as internet service, 5-star meals, hot coffee, and a team of experienced guides. What a deal, right? And there's one more thing you'll need to factor into your plans. Training. Lots of training. Climbing Everest is hard work, and you have to be in great shape. Most people train for the climb for at least a year. Does hiking 15 miles with a 40-pound weight on your back sound fun? Don't worry, you only have to do that twice a week, in addition to your other workouts, like running, lifting weights, and practicing climbing. But let's say you do it. You raise the money, you get the gear, you rock the workouts. Eventually, it'll be time to say goodbye to your friends and family. You won't see them for a while. It takes about 2.5 months to get up and down Everest. And not to be a bummer, but there's a chance you won't make it home. In 2019, 11 people died trying to climb Mount Everest. In total, almost 300 people have died there in the past century. But still, every year, hundreds of people make the climb. About 5,000 have succeeded in reaching the top of the world. So, will you join them?
Okay, so pretty interesting there. Would you want to climb Mount Everest? And there'll be a question later on in our assignments about that, and you can share your opinion on whether you would climb it or not. Okay, so that is the end of the assignments. We watched video one, you did the do now. You watched video two, you did the vocabulary, and then you just watched a short video on Mount Everest to kind of pique your interest to get ready to read the article. So you're finished for today. If you still have some time left, You can read an article. I did link this computer in the picture to a website, and it's, you may have heard of it. I'm not sure if you have. It's called NitroType. You don't have to create an account. You can just sign in with Google, and it will take you right there. And basically, what it does is it gives you sentences, and it's like a race game. So you type the sentence as fast as you can. The faster you type the sentence correctly, the faster your car goes, and it keeps score, and you can compete and do different things like that. So it's just a good practice for you to work on your typing, because computers are obviously, part of the future of your education. So have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see you soon.